Here we're asked to simplify a couple of expressions. And in each of these expressions, we have a product. Here I have 64m to the 1/5, and I'm raising that to a power. And hopefully remember a property from exponents that says if we have a product, a times b, and if we raise that to the nth power, that's equivalent to writing a to the nth power times b to the nth power. So here, for exercise A, I have 64m to the 1/5 all raised to the 2/3. That's the same as 64 to the 2/3 power times m to the 1/5 to the 2/3 power. Now 64 to the 2/3 power, using our properties of exponents, and remembering that a to the m over n is the same as the nth root of a to the mth power. So then this becomes the cube root of 64 squared. Now for the second part here, we have m to the 1/5 to the 2/3. Remember that one of our properties of exponents says that if we have a to the mth power raised to the nth power, we can multiply those exponents. So that's a to the m times n. And so that would then be m to the 1/5 times 2/3. And now simplifying, let's see, the cube root of 64, that's 4. So that's 4 square. And so then that gives us 16. And then m, and 1/5 times 2/3 is 2/15. So 16m to the 2/15. On exercise B, we have the expression a to the 5/2, b to the 3/8, all raised to the 8/3 power. So again, using our product property for exponents, this would be a to the 5/2 to the 8/3 times b to the 3/8 to the 8/3. And then using a power to a power property, this is the same as a to the 5/2 times 8/3, b to the 3/8 times 8/3. And now we're just multiplying fractions. Let's see, 5/8, 40 over 6, that reduces to 20 over 3. So this is the same as a to the 20 over 3. Let's see, b to the 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So 24 over 24 is 1. We don't write the exponent 1, so it's just b. A to the 23rds times b.